Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of VJ Palladio Lavianto, which is located near Mohan Nagar, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar developers. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. VJ Palladio Lavianto will be constructed on 3.7 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Tower will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 27 floors having 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location. अब मेरे बैक एंड साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के साइड में मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर AG रोड, मोहन नगर कोऑपरेटिंग सोसाइटी, सुस, पुणे. और ये जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है डी मार्ट विद इन 2.2 किलोमीटर, सुस पैशन ब्रिज विद इन 2.3 kilometer, and also Mumbai-Pune bypass road flyover within 3.6 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 25 plus luxurious amenities like kids play area, senior sit out area, swimming pool, banquet zone, community center, squash court, table tennis and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, VJ Palladio Lavianto has 3 BHK premium residences, in which 3 BHK starting from 930 to 110 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of VJ Palladio Lavianto, which is located near Mohan Nagar, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link. And do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.